Hi, I'm Thomas from Emerald Bay, and I'm going to show you how to make a Dosilato Pomegranate cocktail for the big game. So I started off by taking my syringe out and putting it in some hot water to get it warmed up and warming up a ½ ounce of agave. So I'm making a 15 milligram drink today. So I'm going to push out one line from my syringe, which is just a little bit, into my agave. I'm gonna do a quick little mix of my agave in here. I'm gonna pour that ½ ounce into my shaker that's already filled with ice. I'm going to add 1 ounce of orange juice. I'm going to add 2 ounces of pomegranate juice. I'm going to add 2 ounces of Topo Chico. I'm going to add the juice from ½ of a lime. I'm going to take my glass here. I'm going to put some lime around the outside. I like to rim my glass with sugar, but you can rim it with whatever you like. I'm gonna put some ice into my glass. Give this a quick little shake. Pour it on into my glass here. I'm gonna top it with some pomegranates and a lime. Cheers.